Alvin here. Today I'm going to show you my Internet Development Phase 1 HTML JavaScript Classic ASP server-side coding. So let's start off by showing you my C grade, which will be creating my homepage and at least one other page off my homepage, and a link to the style sheet that I use throughout all my pages. So here's my homepage, and let's go ahead and take a quick look at my style sheet. Here's my style sheet. I made something called curve left and curve right. I'll show you what that does in a second. Let's go back here. But here we are. So here's my my navigation controls to navigate through the other pages. Because you can see I used that curve left and curve right. So let's go ahead and run it. Here's my home page, and as you can see, goes to my other pages as well as all the other pages using the same style sheets. And move on to the B grade, which is a form containing HTML controls. Let's go ahead and look at the code for that. So here's my JavaScript to validate those controls, and here's my client-side made controls. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the confirmation page. Let's see the response.write on the table. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go to new user and see what happens if you try to submit it right away. It wants a first name, so let's go with Tim. Let's see, now it wants a last name, so let's last name Walker. Now it wants my address, so let's just enter a random address, random street at somewhere. Now it's asking for a city. Let's go ahead and go Renton. Let's go with state. Let's go Nevada. And now it wants a valid email. Let's make sure see what happens if you don't give it a valid email. Nope, doesn't take it. So let's give it an actual email address. Let's go to timwalker@yahoo.com. And now it wants a phone number. Let's go ahead and put a random phone number in there. And it wants a note. So let's go ahead and put something in there. Let's say I want Saturday every day. And let's see if that submits now. Oh, it submits. So the form submitted successfully, and it's displaying the first name, the last name, the address, the city, the state, the email, phone number, as well as that note. So that'll be it for the B grade. Let's go ahead and move on to the A grade, which is downloading some JavaScript client-side coding from the internet and actually using it. I can actually show that to you. It's right over here. Here's the website I got it from, but it takes takes an array of images. Just put some images in the array. Here's the slide. It's actually a slideshow. So I didn't want to make it too big, or else you would see like this big white thing in the background. So I just made it really small. But you can customize these things to however you want. You can put them in random order, preload the images, the background color of the slideshow, how long it takes until the next image appears. Then after that, just have a couple of functions to randomize, so rotate, as well as starting the slider as soon as the page pops up. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. It's on my home page, and here it is. Just goes through a couple of images, and that'll be it. Thank you very much.